Alright people, so today I'm going to do a quick video on how to install rear brake pads on a Suzuki gsxr 2006. This will work on most Suzuki bikes or 2006 and up, but basically the principles are the same. This is 2006 gsxr 600. Let's go right to the rear and then show you what we're going to need. If you don't have an impact drill, you can use your regular 3/8 ratchet, but you're gonna need a 14mm socket, a 10mm socket, and a 5mm hex key. Allen key. And this is all the three sockets are 3/8 sockets. Sorry, and your brake pads. And let's go right to the rear brakes itself. You don't have to remove the tire. There's some different ways to do it, but I'm gonna go right into it and show you how you can probably install it without taking a lot of stuff. So first we're going to use the 14mm to remove the top bolt. This one, put it aside. Then we're gonna use our 10mm so we can remove this bolt right here. And then you're going to remove our brake pads, just like that. The pin goes right out, put it aside. And then what you're going to do, let's go a different angle so you can see a bit better. What you're going to do is just lift it up slowly and then just put it to the side. And here are our brake pads. We're just gonna slide them out slowly. That's one, and the other one just slides right out. And that's two. That's your brake pads. This the way they supposed to go. They go like that. So just put them aside, and we go to our new brake pads. This is the EBC brakes, model number FA419 for the Suzuki. And then you can use a brake cleaner if you want. I'm not gonna use it right now because it's not that dirty, so just gonna jump right to it. And we're gonna put our brake pad like that, and then the other one, same thing. Just like that. Let's go quick look so you can see the position. And then now that we finished with that, just going to put back the caliper same way. It's a little bit dirty, but not much, so if you want to clean it, go ahead, but if not, it's good to go. Now we're gonna put everything back. So first we put the pin for the brake pads so they can be still and not move around. There. And we go to our top bolt. Just like that. And then we go to our bottom one. Make sure everything it's good, and then we're gonna start putting everything back together. Few taps, and then we go to the bottom. Yeah, we got everything. We just move our wheel make sure everything is moving correctly, because nothing is rubbing. And then what you're going to do next is, like I said, if you don't have a drill, you can just hand tight everything, just snug it. There you go. And we go to this one again, and then the last one, the top bolt again. There you go. Next, just for last, just pump your rear brake, make sure it's working. There you go. And yep, that's about it. So you pumped the rear brake, and then you know your brakes are stopping and working, nothing is rubbing, and that's how you change your rear brake pads on a Suzuki gsxr 600. Let me know if you like the video, and if you want to see more videos or how-to tutorials. I'll be doing more soon, and show you different videos on bikes I'm working on, and my friends' bikes and my own and customers. You can see there's a few bikes that the green one is mine, the other one is for a customer, and then right here a few other bikes. This is my little shop. Well, actually it's not a shop, but my work area. This is a project that I'm building. It's my own bike, and then I'll be showing you more projects and coming soon. So thanks for watching. I'll be seeing you in the next one, and leave a like, comment, subscribe, whatever, and I'll be seeing you soon.